Right, here we're going to be modeling a log function. They've asked us to determine a rule for the graph function using a logarithm of base 2. So we've already got our base that's been given to us. We also need to remember that when modeling, our b value is always going to be 1. Okay, so we no longer have a b value, we just have to have a positive or negative, which we're going to base on the shape of our graph that we can observe. Okay, so we have our form. Okay, and they've told me that r is equal to 2, and I can see from the shape of this graph that there is no reflection in the y-axis. So I can say that b is greater than 0, as there is no reflection in the y-axis. Okay, I can also see that I have a vertical asymptote at x equals 1. Negative 1, sorry. Vertical asymptote at x equals negative 1. So therefore my h value is also equal to negative 1. This means that I have y is a log base 2 of positive, because b is positive, x plus 1, so x minus h, or x minus 1, plus k. All right, now notice I have an unknown a and an unknown k, and I have been given 2 points. You can start with either of those points, okay? Often one of them will be easier to get a value out than the other one, but basically you're going to have simultaneous equations and you're going to solve for them. So using point 1 and 4, we have that 4 is a log base 2 of 1 plus 1, and we get very happy because log base 2 of 2 is just equal to 1, so 4 is equal to a plus k. All right, so there's our first equation, and then using 0, 3, we have that 3 is equal to a times log base 2 of 0 plus 1 plus k, and log base 2 of 1 is always going to be 0, so k is equal to 3. Maybe we want to make that equation 1, and so we've got a value for k. We can then substitute k equals 3 into equation 1, so that 4 is a plus 3, and a is equal to 1. So therefore our equation is going to be y equals log base 2 of x plus 1 plus 3.